Home security is a top priority for Nampa homeowners, and one of the most effective ways to protect your family and property is by upgrading to a secure, professionally installed door. Your doors are the first line of defense against intruders, so ensuring they are strong, durable, and reliable is essential. A new door installation not only improves security but also enhances your home's value, energy efficiency, and appearance. Here's how investing in a quality door installation can significantly enhance your home's security in Nampa. Stronger, more secure materials. The material of your door plays a critical role in its ability to protect your home. Older doors, particularly wooden ones, can weaken over time due to moisture, weather, and wear and tear. These aging materials make it easier for intruders to break through. A modern door installation allows you to upgrade to stronger, more secure materials, such as steel doors. Steel doors are one of the most secure options available. They are incredibly durable, resistant to dents, and difficult to force open. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors combine durability and style. They resist warping, cracking, and damage while providing excellent protection. Solid core wood doors. If you prefer the classic look of wood, solid core doors are much stronger and more secure than traditional hollow core options. These upgraded materials ensure your door can withstand forced entry attempts while maintaining its structural integrity for years to come. Advanced locking system. Upgrading your door also allows you to install advanced locking systems that provide an added layer of security. Many older doors come with outdated locks that are easier to pick, pry, or break. Modern doors can be equipped with deadbolt locks. High-quality deadbolts provide excellent protection against forced entry. Multi-point locking systems. These systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it far more difficult for intruders to break in. Smart locks. Keyless smart locks allow you to control your door remotely, monitor access, and receive alerts, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Professional door installation ensures these locks are correctly fitted and fully functional, maximizing the security benefits of your new door. Reinforced door frame. A strong door is only effective if the frame supporting it is equally secure. Older door frames may have gaps, warping, or weakened structures that intruders can exploit to gain entry. When installing a new door, professionals also reinforce the frame to ensure a tight, secure fit. Key reinforcements include steel reinforcements. Adding steel to the door jamb makes it much harder for intruders to pry open the door. Strike plate upgrades. Reinforced strike plates prevent the lock mechanism from being broken with force. Weather stripping. Proper weather stripping not only blocks drafts but also strengthens the door's seal against forced entry. A professionally installed door frame ensures there are no weak spots, providing maximum security for your home. Impact-resistant glass option. If your door features glass panels, it's important to ensure they don't compromise your home's security. Traditional glass can be easily broken, giving intruders access to your home. Modern doors offer impact-resistant glass options that enhance security while still allowing natural light into your home. Benefits of impact-resistant glass include shatter resistance. The glass remains intact even under impact, preventing easy access. Privacy options. Frosted or textured glass obscures views into your home without sacrificing aesthetics. Weather resistance. Impact-resistant glass also stands up to harsh weather conditions, adding another layer of protection. Eliminates weak points. A poorly installed or aging door often has weak points that intruders can exploit, such as loose hinges, gaps in the frame, or worn-out locks. Professional door installation eliminates these vulnerabilities by ensuring a tight, precise fit, securely installed hinges and locks, reinforced materials for added strength. By addressing these weak points, a professionally installed door enhances both the safety and functionality of your entryways. Improved fire resistance. In addition to enhancing security against intruders, modern doors are often designed with fire resistance in mind. Fire-rated doors can help slow the spread of fire, giving your family more time to exit the home safely. Steel and fiberglass doors are particularly effective at offering fire resistance, providing an extra layer of protection for your home and loved ones. Peace of mind for you and your family. Knowing your doors are secure provides peace of mind for you and your family. Whether you're at home or away, you can rest assured that your new door is protecting your property. With advanced materials, reinforced frames, and secure locking systems, a new door installation offers reliable protection against intruders. Invest in your home's security with a new door installation. Replacing your doors isn't just about improving aesthetics, it's about upgrading your home's security, safety, and overall functionality. For Nampa homeowners, a professionally installed, high-quality door provides superior protection, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. If your current door is old, worn out, or lacks modern security features, it's time to consider a replacement. Contact a trusted door installation professional in Nampa to explore secure, stylish options that meet your needs. Investing in a new door installation is a proactive step toward ensuring your family's safety and the long-term security of your home.